Mag, and today I'll be showing you how to code a Sphero Bolt and make it go through mazes, and I will show you some of my code and some of my videos. Let's hop right into it. So I'll be showing you the first checkpoint, which is purple. As you can see, I have my code up here. You can see purple checkpoint 1. The main setup is so it's just no color. The speed is 60. The delay is 1.1, so it will delay itself, and the speed is 0. And then we have the color, which is this, so it's going to be turned into a purplish color. So let's actually show you the video and actually what it does. Alright, now time to show you. As you can see, the ball went forward and it turned purple. Showing you the code, it also did that. As you can see, the speed went to 60, so it went forward 60, and we had the seconds, so it waited for 2.1 seconds, then it went. So that is what it does, and then it stopped at the 0 speed, so it just didn't go anywhere, so it stopped there. Now I'll show you my second one. As you see here, we have our second one, the second green checkpoint. We have the delay is 2 seconds. We have it so it's no color. Then we have it go to a 90-degree angle to the right at a 55 speed for 1.5 seconds. Then it would stop, and then it would turn the different color. It would turn green as the green checkpoint. I will show you that video now. Here's the video. As you see, it went on the green. It was no coloring in the beginning. It went at a 90-degree angle to the right at a speed of 55, and it went for 1.5 seconds. And then it turned green, which is the 255. Now I'll be showing you the third checkpoint. Now, as you can see to the left, we have the noise, which is checkpoint 3. It will wait for 2 seconds. Then there will be no, because it doesn't require any any coloring, so there will be no coloring. It would turn at a 90-degree angle. Then it will go at a speed of 55 for 1 second. Then it'll wait 1 second. Then it will go 45 degree for 40 at the speed of 45 for 1 second. Then play the sounds. It's kind of a weird thing, but it is how my partner coded that section. So it will be true. So it would play the sounds from the computer. I will now show you the video. Right, time to show you. As you can see, it went there, and you hear the sound, and then it turns. It goes from, let me reverse that so you guys can see that again. It went from here to there, and that checkpoint is showing as it goes the 90-degree angle here to here, and then it will go at a 45-degree angle to here, and then it'll play the sounds, which is true. That is the third checkpoint, and now I'll be showing you the fourth checkpoint. Alright, now I'll show you the fourth checkpoint. We added a lot of code here. It's like a graph, so it is the winky face. So one is black, so it's like the kind of like the outline of the winky face. And then here's like the winky side, like the little eye. And then here is it going like a wink. It's like a graph, so like the 6 is yellow. You can see that down here, like all this different stuff, like red's 155, just a bunch of different palettes and stuff. Then here's the emoji one. This is one of the harder ones. We had to figure out how to get the emoji to show up without the code stopping and stuff. So that was a little bit difficult. So it went at a 90-degree angle at a speed of 45 for 1 second. It would delay for 1 second. Then go at a 90-degree angle, at a speed of 55 for 1 second. Then it would be a 0, it was true. Then delay at a 90-degree angle at a speed of 30, and then a 1, and then delay for 2 seconds. I will now show you that. Alright. I'll show you video for emoji. As you see there, it did the 90-degree to the right for 1 second, then it went up, and then it went at a speed of 55 for 1 second. Then it turned on its emoji, the little light. It's hard to record that since it's like the pixels are different. And then it went to 90 at a speed of 30 for 1 second, and then it delayed. That is video 4, checkpoint 4. Now I will be showing you checkpoint 5. This is checkpoint 5. It's a very simple one. All it did would go at a 90-degree angle for 40s, for a speed of 40 for 1 second, and it turned blue. I will now show you that video right now. Here's video 5. My cameraman did not do a good job on this one, so sorry, it is upside down. As you saw there, it did the 90-degree angle for 40 for at a speed of 40 for 1 second just to get it down there, and then it turned blue. Now I'll be showing you that was checkpoint 5, video 5. Now I'll be showing you checkpoint 6. Here is checkpoint 6, orange. So a delay for 1 second, then it will go at an angle of 135 at a speed of 50 for 1 second. Then it will turn red and green at the same time to match the colors together to make orange. Then a delay, and then it'll go back to its flat color, which is just no color. Now I'll be showing you the video. Here we go. Here is the checkpoint 6 orange video. Here we go. It went to the orange. It did the 135 angle at a speed of 50 for 1 second. Then it did green and red, turning into orange. And then it waited for 1 second and then turned back to the color. No coloring. This is checkpoint 7. Simply all it did went at a 45-degree angle at a speed of 40 and for 1 second. Then it waited, and then it did a 360. It did a full spin, and for 4 seconds. So it did like a full spin around. I will now show you that video. Here is checkpoint 7. As you saw there, it did the full 360 as I wanted it to do, and it went at a 45-degree angle at a speed of 40 and for 1 second to get there, and then it did the 360 for 4 seconds. Now I'll be showing you video 8. Here is checkpoint 8. It is the sound 2, which pretty much did the same thing as the sound 1, except it just did it went at an angle of 90 degrees at a speed of 65 for 1 second. Now I will show you what that looks like. Here we go. Here is the sounds part 2 video. Checkpoint 8. As you saw there, it said sounds part 2, which is exactly what it was supposed to say. It went at a 90-degree angle at a speed of 65 for 1 second. Now I'll be showing you checkpoint 9. This is the 9th checkpoint. It is counterclockwise, and it was delayed for 2 seconds. It went at a 45-degree angle at a speed of 60 for 1 second. It did a 360, except it went counterclockwise instead of a clockwise turn, and it went for 4 seconds, just like the other one. Now I'll be showing you that video. Here is the video. Now, let's watch it. Now, as you see, it went at a 45-degree angle at a speed of 60 for 1 second. Then it did a counterclockwise 360 for 4 seconds. Now I'm going to show you the checkpoint 10. Here is the last bit of code, the final checkpoint 10. We have the delay for 1 second, a set speed of 20, so it went forward 20 speed. It had a delay of 1 second after, a set speed for 0, so it stopped, and then it turned green. Now I'm going to show you that video. Here we are. This is the final checkpoint. As you saw there, it went forward a very small amount, which was the 20, and it very small amount, just needed to get past here, and it turned green. Now I'll be showing you the full video of everything, all the checkpoints at once. Now, As you can see here, this is the full video. Watch as it does the full maze. That did the first part of it, which it did a set speed of 60, so it went 60 speed. It then it went forward 60 speed, then it waited for 2.1 seconds, then it turned purple. Now, that was the second one. That was it going at a 90-degree angle to the right at a speed of 55 for 1.5 seconds. Then it turned green. It did the sounds noise. I don't know if you could hear it because someone was talking in the background, but whatever. And that was this. That was it going on a 90-degree angle. Then it's stopping here. Then it went at a 45-degree angle here at a speed of 45 for 1 second. Now it's like down here. Then I would play sounds. Now you can watch the other part. As you see here, it did the full down, which was the 90 degrees. It went at 45 speed for 1 second. Then it did it went up at 30 speed for 1 second, and then it waited. And as you can see, it turned on the little smiley face thing. So that is the blue. As you can see there, it turned blue. It went down 90 degrees at 45 speed at 1 second. Then it turned blue. We'll go back because it went pretty quick there. As you can see here, it went to the orange. It went at a 135-degree angle. It was at a speed of 50 for 1 second. And it was the blue, and then it was the red and the green to make the orange color. And then it delayed and it went back to its normal color. As you can see here, it did the full 360. That blue thing wasn't there, it just was put there. We didn't have that. It was put there after we completed the maze. Just if you guys were wondering, that was a checkpoint thing. As you saw, it did the full 360. It went to the 45-degree angle here at a speed of 40, and then for 1 second. Then it did a delay. Then it did a 360 for 4 seconds. Sounds part 2. As you see, it went at the 90-degree angle here to here at a speed of 65 at 1 second. Now, and then it played Sounds part 2. As you see there, it did the full 360, it delayed, then it went here to here, which was the 45-degree angle at a speed of 60 for 1 second. Then it did the counterclockwise 360. Then, as you saw that very at the last part of that, it turned green at the very last part. That was it going at the speed, that was it going delaying, and then 20, and then delay, and then turning green. That was the full video of how to make a Sphero Bolt do what you want it to do, the code, the videos. This is something that we used to help us complete it, like some of the code that we needed to do, like the sounds, the movement, the images. This is very useful. I would suggest using that if you would like. We use this to code it. We didn't use Python. We used this to send it and code it, and we just used Python to back it up so we didn't get it deleted. If you want to download this and use it, I will be showing you what our code looks like in there. So I will show you the code now on the GitHub. Let me quickly take you there. Here we are. We are at the code. This is in my GitHub, so it's all backed up to the cloud and everything, so I don't have to worry about it. All my codes here, as you can see, is identical to this code. I will show you the videos that's also backed up here. We have all the videos backed up to the thing, so we will never lose it. Thank you for watching my video. I'm signing off, K-Demag. Make sure to watch any of my other videos in the future if those help. If that helped you complete your maze,